morning here at Bullion Farm. I'm Joyce speaking. I just want to give you updates today. These particular beds are the 13th today, and as you can see, they are growing almost eating very well, no doubt about that. And on this section, everyone is fine. Now, if you look at this little sharp here, it's the only one that I've identified that is weak. Yeah, it's weak, and it's it's a brown layer. It's weak. I'm just isolating it from others, depending when I can diagnose what is wrong with it. So it has its own small area where it can feed and drink. And when you look at the rest of the Acer Browns, it is about 196 here, minus this one. Everyone is happy, well and healthy, eating and drinking. So, with that I would say we are doing very well at Bullion Farm. And don't forget, we can do this for you. All you need to do is just call us on 070-4584-6960, and then we will listen to you, discuss what you want, and help you out. Alright, we can help you start your farm, we can help you add to your farm. Okay, we can do a lot for you. Just reach out to us. Okay, that's the one I have today. Joyce speaking, and happy farming. Thank you for viewing, and see you next time.